Okay, so we're going to talk about TikTok today. Now, with TikTok, they have a new affiliate marketing program. So you can become an affiliate of TikTok and start making money when you sell other people's products. So basically, they trying to be like Amazon. So they got a whole bunch of products. They got sellers that's uploading their products over there. And when you use a video and promote their products, if people buy through your video, you make the commission. The commission may be 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, whatever. But the but when people like we doing regular videos and we might be talking about something like, hey, I got this, I get this. They click on the shopping cart in that video. They don't even have to leave TikTok or anything. Once they click on that shopping cart, they can add it to their shopping cart and buy it. And so it'll be attached to you and you'll get the commission for it. That's what everybody's on right now. And it's a lot of good benefit and perks from being a part of that program. Now, the criteria is you need to have 5,000 followers on TikTok, and you need to be 18 years old or older, and you need to be inside the U.S. Those are the three steps right now for TikTok. They call it the TikTok shop. And if you can get yourself 5,000 followers and you already in the US and you 18 plus, you should be able to become an affiliate and start promoting other people's products and getting paid.